I found a little bit about staircase concrete work. Actually the concrete work for the stair. لابتشي تكفلا. Okay, as I said before, landing لابتشا the triangular part لابتشا of the razor and trend, and then the soffit. This is what I know more. So for the case number 2, this plan from 4 basement to the typical floor. Even I made it like a payment. Anyhow, triangular part. In this case, if I want the triangular part, I will just select the area. The area which is the length, width and depth. If I want the triangular part, height base over 2. So actually in the concrete it's area. Like for the soffit I will take length, width and thickness. Anyhow, if I want to know the triangular area, because I have problem here with this. Anyhow, the triangular area, I want this part, the picture. I have the razor 0 نطب أسرع mist, and the trend is susmato, which is 0 نطب sost either, and then multiply to the half. This is the area of the triangular area. يبقى متر سكوير. هون with a meter cubed, this triangular area depth الله. So we have the area base height over 2. This is meter square. The height meter and the base is meter. Okay. Height base, which is the trend, and then over half. You can write over 2 or multiply by 0 not upon mist. It's the same of making half base height. You just multiply it or مبعضها 0 not upon mist. We found the area in meter square. Okay, this triangular height of this depth الله. Also like this. If I count this depth from here, وده عندنا طفل الديسيمتر as they decided. But for me the depth must be from here to here, the same of the triangular that we divided. So around must be like around لمن if we take the soffit from here to here is 305 and we take the triangular, let's picture the triangular depth is to be from here to here which is around 300. This is 0.300 and we can say 5 maximum. إسكا عندنا بستة يدرسم. Anyhow, because تكفافل لبتشا triangular and لبتشا the soffit. And then how many stairs? Triangular. له flight. أسرة سوست دي أسرة سوست هنا أسرة سوست ب105. The train and the razor, the stairs or the steps of the stair. أسرة سوست هاي سدست item له flight مالتنا. كذا متر كيوب ماتا سيبازا متر كيوب concrete work is by meter cube. And then we come to the rectangular part. The rectangular part is the soffit after the, which is from here to here. When we divided from here the triangular part, we take it لبجا. After it, mikara is the soffit is the rectangular part without the triangle, like here. Okay. This from here to here. From here to here we ready لبجا وصلنا. From here now, which is from here to here is the soffit. Okay. The soffit length. أرات نطب هولت ورانا نطب سوست okay هولت flight. And then from here we have the length of the soffit, the width, and then the width we have to take it from here. Here عندنا تبسط this for the one flight. So عندنا تبسط this for this stair volume is the width. The length you can take it from here or here more detail just for the stairs is أرات نطب ولد. And the depth 0 نطب the depth يمولال 0 نطب 3 زي ما تبي كيف تمطع. And then landing this is landing and this is landing. have 0 نطب هاي همست the depth. Okay, I need on the length and the width. Length, width and depth. The depth 0 نطب هاي همست and the length you can take it from here. The landing and نطب 2 or الهولات. And the width for one flight is another, so this for هولات flight. هولات يبقى زال or okay. Here so not they already they على بعضهم they add مولو width. فمولو width is source native source. The mulu width is source native source. The depth is 0 native highest, and then the length and native 7. Okay, you can count also the length of the from here and native 7 from here to here. The صفات مالتهم. If the width from here, the length from here, you can take it. And then the depth. The depth here is 0 native highest. This is one side, and then we will go to the length of this landing. So this landing level and then this landing level. We have the same width, source native, but the width is antenative 6. كذا the depth, which is 0 native highest. كذا بقى the sum. The triangular part, the rectangular part, landing بقى. The staircase plan to from the 4th to the ground. To the ground, which is this flight. We have to also this flight. And then for the whole, it's the same steps. They are this staircase. The area is the same because they are typical for that of the triangular part. Source metal, mist. Always like 3 سنتيم 10 سنتيم for the razor, and they use this for the razor and trend. When we draw the stair AutoCAD, use this typical. Anyhow, for the triangular home, we have height is over 2 is the area. Of the triangular, and then صفاته is antenatal hullet. In this case, we found the mulu area of the triangular. Have height of base, and then the width from where to where is the triangular. In this case, meter cubed. We found the mulu height, base, and width for the concrete molet. Then highest. The same thing is here. Here it will be antenatal, was correct, and not accepted. This part little bit confusing, but if we count the triangular here, yes, the height and there is the width is 0 نقطة بسوست, yeah. And then the base height, and also here is the width of the trend, and then we have also base. In this case we found the Mulu area by meter cubed. Okay, rectangular feet. We without the triangulars, because with the triangulars already counted. Rectangular without, it's the same thing. From here to 0 نقطة 3 and we will count the length, which is this, the depth, the length, and then the width of the 1 feet is here, and then at the bullet, and then at the bullet 0 نقطة 3 and then the length bullet flight يبقى زي ما ده. We come to the landing, the same process. This landing levicha. This landing levicha, the width is under another sabat. The length is from here to here, underlay. Let's not in this method. Let's not missed. Let's not missed. And the depth is 0 نقطة 3. No, 0 نقطة higher missed. See the depth of the landing. Okay. We see the other part. Here 0 نقطة higher missed. This side other نقطة higher missed. Mulu lamuru is the same length. Let نقطة missed. Let نقطة missed and نقطة higher missed 0 نقطة higher missed. كذا بقى بس. This is the concrete work of the stairs. له اللمبة is the same step. Rectangular landing. Number 6, they don't have landing. Yes, this is without landing. We just find this, which is the rectangular, the soffit part for this one. It's the same for, you follow the same steps for the all, and you will finish it. This is take-off sheet, one by one. You explain, you describe. The most important thing that you write the detailed description to know after this when you check. This will give you the accurate quantity for mamlat. When you plan which area the mamlat, you will know how many quantity of concrete is legal for 1 day. Also for processing the mole quantity for, and also for payment. Is manashia is this take-off sheet actually for every step of the work executed. if we come to see the formwork of the stairs, formwork is meter square. I need length and width picture. I don't need depth. Then we will divide the triangular part لبيتشا, the landing, the soffit, everything لبيتشا. The triangular part is contained of razor, trinder. I will take the razor meter square لبيتشا. I will take the trend meter square لبيتشا. In this case, the triangular part, I finished it of the razor and trend. By this way, yes, we can. The razor, as we said, Mato Hamza, it says here. Mato Hamza, look, the razor. The trender is Osmato, which is 0.5 and 0.3. For the razor picture, for this part, 0.5 Sibaza, this is the height, the length, the width. The width sentinel for one flight is Eng.Afnan Hollet. Okay, this is for this type. The explanation, first one, from fourth basement to this type. So 0.5 and then for one flight is Eng.Afnan. Let me check for one flight. It's actually Eng.Afnan said this. It's just not a sauce. Or from here is the opening of the flight. Eng.Afnan said this. Eng.Afnan said this. 0.5 since stairs we have Hollet flight. 13 stairs. 13 plus 13 highest test. Akasi baza the meter square metal. This is for the razor. We need for the trend. We will see like this. Trend equal to 600 millimeter. Since the width is the same, and this is Eng.Afnan said this. So Eng.Afnan said this 600 المعلت 0.600 which is 0.6, and then we have highest test stairs. See like a meter square. Because this is millimeters, with the meters from the small to the big, from the big to the small, now for rectangular part, the soffit of the stairs. Now we finished the triangular part, which is the razor and the trend. Now the soffit from the bottom. We need from the bottom of the stairs, not here. The top already, the triangulars. We need here. But if we take the trend formwork لا يسفل in the trend. This part also. Because concrete يمولع بزي. We just need the razor. Only this part, the razor, we need to make formwork. Trend كزقانو it's not needed. كمان concrete يمولع لس كزي درس بكا. The trend is زقان. We don't need trend formwork. This is more clear to understand. Anyhow, concrete يمولع so في تلاقي triangular كزي درس بكا. If we closed here, how we can fill the stairs? Anyhow, no need. Maybe if you want to cover and to save the concrete till you finish all the buildings or like this, you add the trend. Anyhow, to save the bird or walking from one floor to two floors كمملة تدرس ميهون تنش يتزقال بعدين كونكريت سمولة بهلا بكا كونكريت هارد سيهون نايس فلي جنبك landing the soffit. Welcome to the soffit. Soffit from this part, which is the length أرات نطب and the سبعة and نطب سدست of one flight. We have two flights, so we puzzle بتو. نيو أرات نطب صوص هيس at new run. So أنا نطب سدست the width of the one flight. And نطب سدست كذا ولات فلايت هلا بهولتي بازل. Okay. We have also the side of the stairs. The side of the stairs, you can take them from here, from this side and from that side. We need formwork because if we don't cover the sides, the seepage leakage هنا the concrete. So from this side 0 نطب 3 5. The length is 4 نطب 3 here. So this is the and the length is 4 نطب 3. Now we covered the sides. Okay, this is the sides of this there from here to here. Now we have side from here to here, which is half this height. Okay. The rectangular area. The cent now half, which is 0 نطب 15. Base 0 نطب 3. Height 0 نطب 5, which is the half this height. The highest this stairs. I like that. Meter square. The landing. The landing also length and width we need. We can take it from here. Either مول landing 3 نطب 3 and the width is and نطب 7. 3 نطب 3 and نطب 7. On the other side landing from this side 3 نطب 3 and نطب 5. Okay. Number 1. This item. And then the total sum, you will take it. The same steps. Formwork, take off sheet, preparation. Let this one finish. And then if we see another example, for example from ground floor to first floor, from floor basement. Okay, those are the typical solutions. Stair plan for, let's check it. Okay. Formwork, as we know that it's for the laser and render lecture. Razor 105 and the width. So the width and the height of the razor. The width of the flight, one flight, is here, and another height for the one flight. So and another height 0.15. Well, as this is the number of stairs of flat flight. Okay, and then we'll come to the rectangular, which is the soffit. You can find this soffit from here. Actually the bottom no cover meter concrete simula, and the sides we need to got this place, this solid side, also the bottom, and then concrete simula. Also the razors, because we want the shape of the stairs. The trend is them only if you want to save it camera gather from stepping it, or like this we go from one floor to floor to save the concrete shape. Maybe after the hardening you can cover it. Okay, and another. Now the soffit is the length from here to here, and then the sifat. The sifat is another segment. The length we will take it from here. Another this. Is number 4. We will cover from here to here. Yeah, like that. نعم عندنا طيب 8 هلات. the whole flight, and then we have the rectangular area, which is this part. Okay, height, base, and we have the height, the razor 0.15. The base here is the source method render, the halves كذا for the rectangular area كذا هينزل best stairs. And then we have the sides. The side is 0.5. have left side the length and then we have the landing. You have one landing here and here. The landing here مستطيل 8 مستطيل 8 أنت. This is the length and the width is 100%. Look. And length and meter square. We will cover this area. Okay. Look out for the plan 5. This is plan 5. It's the same. You'll find the sides from here, the length and the width, the triangular also, it's on here, half base height, and the soffit is from here, the length, and the width you take it from here. You have the landing, you have LB1, this landing, the height and the width also from here also, make a buffer. The length and width, okay. Or take all this area, this square, this all, you will cover it, so height, and this is the base, which is meter square, length, width. The rectangular area, this area, you will cover it by formwork. And then the stairs, okay. It's the same steps. You have beam, the length and the width of the beam. Yes, but like for the, and if there is a side, also side the beam, for example. Here is a beam, not landing, it's a beam. Actually, the width of the beam is not much another. For the all, the depth I mean. صفات نبرس غير النبرس. Here. Anyhow, the صفات of the beam and the it will be the length and the صفات. The length of the beam هو نتنظر فقط. Here, what is the beams here? Yes, let me تبارات is the length and صفاته must be 0 not this. The صفات. And you have let LB4. The depth of the beam is 0 not barat. Let us support 0 not or the height of the beam. Anyhow.